Things like extreme weather events and the fact that they lead to fatalities and injuries and all kinds of mental health effects. Heat stress, which is another example where we see this leading to health-related illness and death. There are communities and populations that are disproportionately impacted and that have disproportionately high risk of suffering from severe outcomes. And I think this is where environmental racism comes into the picture, because when we look at specific communities, for example, that may be impacted by exposures, such as due to toxic effects of pollution, as one example, we know that there are communities that are disproportionately impacted. So this is just one or two examples. For example, about older adults. When older adults are facing an extreme weather event or some kind of climate change threat, we have to think through, if we're going to be prepared as a community, what are the specific needs of, say, older adults who maybe can't respond to an evacuation order, or maybe who are living in a long-term care facility, or who may have other needs relative to their to the issues that they are coping with. I don't know that disaster preparedness is necessarily one size fits all, right? So we have to think about the ways to make the system more responsive to the needs of communities and populations, because social workers, we're very in tune to what those needs are.